Hello viewers, my name is Chandan Kumar. I am associated with Sage University Bhopal as an assistant professor in the School of Advanced Computing. Today I am going to discuss about the various types of SQL commands. As we know that SQL is a structured query language. In this language, we have various types of commands which are used to communicate with the database with the various operations, like you can create a table, you can drop a table, you can modify the table, you can update the name of the columns, you can also insert various tuples, various rows inside the database. You can also give the privileges to the users with the SQL commands. So here we have the types of SQL commands. We have four types of SQL commands. First one is data definition language, second one is data manipulation language, third is data control language, and fourth one is transaction control language. In all the languages we have we have a lot of commands. As we know that in DDL we have create, alter, drop, truncate, and rename operation. In the DML we have select, insert, update, delete, and merge commands. In the data control language, we have grant and revoke commands, and in the transaction control language, we have commit, rollback, and save point. You can see that in the DML commands, we have a select command. The select command is also used to retrieve data from the database. So it may be possible that in various books you can describe the select statement in data query language. But in this video, I have just divide the commands in four categories only. At first, what are the DDL commands? Actually, the DDL commands defines the structure of the database and their objects, and the objects are like table, like view, like user. So you can define the database with these commands. Like with the create command, you can create a database. You can define a table. You can define a view. You can create an index. You can also create a user. With the help of alter command, you can modify the structure of the database or its objects like table, view, index. That means uh, in the duration of database management system, if you want to modify, if you want to update the definition of your database, you can do that task with the alter operation, with the alter command. With the drop command, you can drop the structure of the entire database, the entire object, the entire table. That means if you want to remove your entire table, if you want to remove your entire database, then you can use the drop command. With the truncate command, you can delete all the rows of a table. The truncate table does not remove the table. It only deletes all the rows, but the existence of table remains exist. With the rename command, you can rename the name of an object like table, like view, like database. So these are the different DDL commands. In the Dpl commands, we have various commands like select, insert, update, delete, merge. To retrieve the data we can use select command. To insert a different rows, to insert a various rows, we use insert command. When we want to update the data in the existing file, so we use the update command. If you want to delete a table, so we use the delete command. And if you want to merge different tables in a single table, so we use the merge command. Here we have also Dcl commands, in which we have grant, revoke. Dcl command generally gives the privileges to the users and removes the privileges from the user. That means with the help of grant command, we provide the users a different privileges, a different access privileges, and with the help of revoke command, we removes the given privileges or the given access from any user. With the help of we have also transaction control language commands in which we have commit, rollback, and save point. These all statements, like these all commands like commit, rollback, and save point, these all are related with the transactions which are going to executed inside your database. So we have commit commands. With the commit command, we store the changes performed using a transaction. That means while writing SQL commands, if you want to store the changes, if you want to change the storage performed, so we use the commit command. With the help of rollback command, it is used to revert the changes up to the last committed state in the case of any year. That means if you want to save the changes in our database management system, so we use the commit command. And if you want to go to the section, the last committed, so we use the rollback command. And with the help of save point command, it is used to roll the transactions back to a certain point. That means if we have saved an entire database on a particular location, on a particular transaction, and if you want to traverse that address, yeah, that process location, so we use the save point command. So here we have all the types of SQL commands. Thank you.